I think about you.
Thinking of you.
Have you ever said, I'm thinking of it, or I'm thinking about it, and felt confused about which one is correct? Let's fix it in 1 minute. Listen carefully. That song makes me think of my childhood. This means when I hear the song, my mind quickly jumps back to memories of my childhood. I don't try to think deeply, it just happens automatically, like a sudden memory appearing. Can you think of a good name? This means I want an idea right now. Something should come into your mind quickly, like a name popping up without much effort or deep thinking. I need to think about your offer. This means I cannot answer immediately. I need time to consider it carefully. Maybe compare options, think about advantages and disadvantages before making a decision. She is thinking about her future. This means she is not just having a quick thought. She is seriously planning and considering her life, goals, and possible choices over time. So, remember the simple difference. Think of is a quick idea or memory that comes to your mind. Think about is slow, careful thinking, where you consider something deeply. Now it will feel natural in real conversations.